All right, so I just want to give you a quick show first of what we're making. So this is a wristlet for your cell phone. And this is how it sits in. And then the pencil for the teacher was made using the flat clay beads. All right. All right. I just want to make sure that you're able to see it pretty good. All right, let's make it. So we're back and we are going to do another idea for a phone wristlet, okay? So I've got my 2 clamps. This one's gonna be gold also. So again, my clamps, you gotta make sure that they actually clamp because sometimes they don't. All right, so I don't know if you can see, but you'll be able to see it as we do it. So I have the teacher's name. This is my sister-in-law, so it says Miss McKinnon. And then I've got this little apple bead, another apple bead. And then I have these clay beads and I've got them set up like a pencil. So I think it'll be cute. All right, so I'm just gonna keep on with this roll until it's done. So now remember, we are gonna be doubling our rope because we're doing these to where we have less chance of anything coming undone, right? So we do it so that it's all in one piece. We're not clamping ends together. We're doing it all as one solid piece. And then so we're going to decide, you know, how big we want our wristlets to be. And listen, if you're all about it, I am not a type A person. So if you are all about it, by all means, you measure, do all of your stuff. I am a guesstimator. All right, so our bead string, okay, is one piece and then we double it over. So, and then it'll be doubled again to be a wristlet. So we got about that much. All right, so we're gonna double it over and then we take our rounded end and that piece goes into our first clamp. So it's got the little hole on the bottom. Again, like I always say, if you want, you can add another little ring to the bottom of this, a ring like this. I don't like to do that. And why? Because I don't like things that have more of an opportunity to come undone. All right, so, and just put your little legs of your string through it. All right, so we are going to do all of our beads on both strings until we get near the end. So I'm going to move to fast mode and we are going to do these on fast mode and then I'll stop it before we get to the very last beads because we're going to move to one string and I'll show you how we do that and we make it so that it all flows together without having to crimp anything, okay? All right. So we're down to our last 2 beads and then our hook. I was going to put some of these red ones on, but the holes in them are way too small. So you got to be careful when you buy them. I would like to put a couple red ones, but that's okay. All right, so for now, for our last bead, so everything is on 2 strings, right? So we've got our name, and then we've got our little pencil. So everything's on 2. So now we're going to separate it open, and these last beads, these are going to go on 1 string. My eyes are getting tired and it's making it hard for me to see. Okay, so we got our 2 beads. They're on 1 string. And then that same string, it's going to go through the end of our clip and around. So again, because it's going around, our clip doesn't fall off. And this is how we do this so that we don't have to be clamping stuff or anything. So now we're going to take that same string and we're going to go back up through. So it goes over the hook of our clasps, and now it's going to go back up through these other 2 beads. So the same string going back through the same 2 beads. So there's the one, and now it's going to go back up through this one. So now we pull it, and again, it's because this has gone around. It's all nice and secure, okay? So now we just pull it all together, okay? And now we're gonna take our 2 ends and we just wrap them around like a little surgeon's knot, and then we pull it, and we pull everything tight. And then we're gonna tie it in a knot again. Nice and tight. And cut these off. And now we've got our wristlet, and we have nothing that's going to fall apart. So now again, this isn't the tab that I'm going to use. I don't feel like doing it tonight. It's late. I'm going to probably, this one, I'm going to cut it out of red leather. And again, once this lays for a bit, it'll relax. So again, we've got our little hook, and then we've got our wristlet, and it has got our teacher's name, and then it's got our little pencil. And again, now you can hold your phone and you can, mess around with it. And our personalized wristlet. And it is a pencil and our teacher's name. Now again, on this one, I'm going to do a red leather tab for this one. This is just to show you. So anyways, these are super fun. You can personalize them, and with the holidays coming up, these are a great little fun gift. Or again, you can sell them. And yours are personalized, so it's awesome. All right. Anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful night, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.